Hi students, so today we have somebody very special with us, Oishe, who's doing her anthropology honors undergraduation from Hansraj College, Delhi University. And other than that, she's also involved in a lot of activities at college. She is involved with the Dramatic Society of her college. She's also involved very actively with initiative of UN, which is called Girl Up, and Oishi is also involved in another initiative which is called Beyond Meds. So she's got a lot to her credit, but cutting all that short, we move on to our question and answer session. Before that, Oishi, welcome to Education View 360.
Thank you. I'm so glad to be here.
Thank you. So, Oishi, moving on to our first question, please tell our students what sort of societies one joins in college. Are there societies which complement the course, or people join these societies because they are passionate about something? So, what's a trend like, and what should one do?
I feel like when you come to college, education matters a lot, but then after a point of time, it gets very monotonous. And I really feel that you need to be present everywhere in order to help yourself grow, because when companies come for placements, they don't want 90%. This is not 12th anymore, right? They don't want marks is not everything. They want versatile students for their companies. They want people who can actually represent their organizations. So how does that come? The more you're out there, the better exposure you get, the better development also you see in yourself in those 3 years you give to your college life. So I feel societies are very important for your own development. And apart from that, you can always contribute. It's great to join organizations such as Beyond Meds and Girl Up. Why? Because they're also trying to bring in a change in the society. And being a youth, that is necessary. We need it. We need proactive youth, people who are aware basically. Apart from these organizations and societies that work for society, we have cultural societies as well. Now cultural societies, dramatic society, dance society, the musical society, stage society. So these are known as cultural societies, but one thing is that these cultural societies, they're very time consuming, and managing both the studies with these societies, they get very difficult. So if you're really into it and you think that you can actually make something out of it in the future, probably join it then. Otherwise, we have great societies, for example, the writing society, the poetry society. We have commerce based societies, the placement cell, the internship cell. I think placement cell and internship cells are very good in terms of your own placements, because when you're inside and you know how the entire process works, it helps you a lot in terms of your placement. But then if you want to go for your higher further education, you can obviously go for cultural societies or the writing society. So I think when you come to college, in terms of societies, you're going to get n number of possibilities and n number of options. कोई कमी नहीं होने वाली. You only have to choose as per your liking. That's all. Yeah.
All right. So thank you so much, Oishi, for all your insights, and I'm sure it's going to help a lot of students. Thanks for your time once more.